Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm in a mood to hack the social media. So I've been teaching everything I know about social media and what I have learned, what I have experienced during this my whole digital entrepreneurship journey. I was an ex-employee. I'm currently a digital entrepreneur, and I teach people about the whole social media hack. You can utilize your social media to make million. Trust me, you can make million. So I'm in here to teach you everything I know, everything I have learned, everything I experienced. Is not anything from book. So I've been teaching last couple of days about the whole concept of the social media, digital marketing, and I was actually going through the last video about the whole Facebook marketing. Today I'm going to talk about another interesting social media which is very popular in the market right now. It's Instagram. Do you know more than 700 million people currently actively using the Instagram? Do you even know that it is not that competitive like Facebook? Many of us are not sure that people are actively running the campaign or promoting their business in Instagram, but it is one of the very important tool, and this is your time to learn about Instagram and utilize that Instagram in your business. So I'm going to talk about some facts about Instagram. I'm going to tell you some tips, the different way you can utilize your Instagram and you can get the best outcome out of it. And you can bring the leads in your business. The major challenge nowadays in the business is to bring the leads. Why don't you learn all this social media and to bring the leads in your business? So let's talk about the Instagram. So my first tips for you, when you're posting something in Instagram, understand who is your audience. Who is your audience? So who you are targeting to? Which segmentation you are targeting? So this is very important to know who is your audience before you actually do in Instagram. Before you. Second thing is using the hashtag. It's very important when you post something in Instagram, make sure you use the hashtag, but make sure you use the relevant hashtag. Don't use unnecessary hashtag which is irrelevant what you're doing. So that's very important to use the Instagram. Number 3, know when to post. So this is actually important for Facebook and Instagram. You need to understand when most of the people are using the social media, when they are free to use the Facebook or Instagram. So you need to know the timing of the post, when you are actually really posting in Instagram. Then make it a beautiful images. Make sure your image is beautiful so people get attracted to. Don't use any images that people don't really get interest about it. So you need to understand what sort of images you can use for your Instagram post. Number 5 is add call to action. Like help, or what is the next action people can take from your post. So make sure you add your call to action button in your Instagram post. Number 6, tell stories. It's very important. Nowadays everything is telling the stories. So when you're actually posting anything in Instagram, make sure you're just telling them stories so people get attracted to. When your image is attracted and you are telling the story and people get attracted to, people believe this is authentic, they would start to follow you. Number 7, find out related industry people, related industry known people. So find out who are famous in that industry. Ask them, request them to share your post and hashtag them, tag them. So that means people will know that other people are recommending you. So this is something very, very interesting. Number 8, be personal address. Using people's name, using name. So those are the 8 tips I always give people when they are using their Instagram account. So Instagram, again I'm saying, you can utilize your Instagram account to grow your business, bring the leads in your business. You just need to know how to do that. There are many other techniques I teach people about Instagram account. And Instagram is one of the major social media right now to bring the leads in your business. So make sure you learn about how to hack Instagram so you can bring more leads in your business. I'm gonna teach in my next video about whole LinkedIn. Until then, I'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.